How do you get peaches in Township? In Township, peaches are type of fruit used in various recipes in factories like the jam factory and bakery. So, however, they are not available from start. You need to unlock them by reaching a certain level and building a specific tree in the orchard. So that will be a peach tree. Also, it will be available in the port once you unlock the port. So first of all, you must focus on upgrading your town to level 29. This sends ships to the island and bring back exotic goods. Such exotic goods include the peaches. So also, what you can do is if you want to get more peaches, so build peach trees in the orchard. So go to your orchard, the area where you grow fruits. Tap on the tree icon and scroll to find the peach tree. Each tree costs coins and takes time to grow before the first harvest. So you can find in your orchard different kinds of trees. Like for example, I can see here palm tree, and then different trees like here it reads palm tree. So once you go to the orchard, you'll be available with those peach tree as well. So farm those peaches in your peach tree. So trees produce fruit a limited number of times, usually three harvests. After that, tree will become withered and needs to be chopped down and replanted. So use access to remove withered trees. So that's how you obtain peaches. So first of all, you must make sure that you'll reach level 29, and then the sport is the maximum or the main way to get those peaches in your township. So hopefully this helps. Thank you.